So I'm going to show you how to slow down a video on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So first, you can just simply long press on that video as it's playing. So play and then long press on it. Then you can see what that video will look like in slow motion. And when you release, it goes back to the original speed. Now, if you want to save that video as a slowed down version of the original video, you can simply go to the editor. So tap on the edit icon on the top there. That's going to open up the video editor, and you will see the timer icon at the bottom there. So next to the time, you can see that icon there. Tap on it, and then here you can choose whether you want to slow it down or make it faster. So you can choose half the speed, and then you can choose what area you want slowed down. If you want the entire video slowed down, then you can just drag this all the way to the end, and then now that entire video is going to get slowed down, and you can see what it looks like when it's been slowed down. Now if you want to slow down only a specific section, you can just make sure the slowed down area is within this two. Okay, so this between this area where you have the dotted line is going to be the area that's going to be slowed down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.